You can now upload any custom data of your lead into GetReplies and can then use these for AI personalizations. It's the simplest way to add hyper-targeted personalization to your automated workflows. Let's see how you can create these custom fields in GetReplies.
We are here on the GetReplies platform. Start by uploading your list that has this custom data. Click on New List. Click on Upload CSV and select your lead list. Now scroll down and find the column for which you want to create a custom field. From the dropdown, select Add Custom Field. Enter a desired field name. Select the type of the field. We will be selecting URL for this one. Add a small description about the field to keep a note for future references, and then click on Save. Now click on Next and wait for a few moments for the system to validate the mapping of the fields. Once the fields are mapped, enter a desired name for your list that you can track and click on Upload. And voila, your list is ready, and now you can start reaching out to your leads using this custom field to personalize your messaging.